Today I'm going to show you how to manage all of your audio settings for your live stream in StreamYard. So we're in over here on our very own live stream. This is StreamYard's studio, and what we essentially want to do here is just underneath the main section, you want to go and look for the manage layouts. This will allow you to see your settings. Here you can choose from any one of these settings over here. So if you go to audio, you'll be able to change your microphone from this drop down menu, and you can see currently it's working. You can also change where the audio is coming out, and you can choose from any one of these and then click on test. Okay, you can hear that it's actually working. That's fantastic. You can cancel echo if you have any echo. You can also reduce mic background noise, stereo audio, and the echo cancellation needs to be off for this feature, and then the automatic adjust of your mic volume. Okay, so this will adjust your mic's volume so that all of the microphones within your stream, if you're using multiple microphones, multiple users, it'll all be adjusted to the same level. Now you can go ahead, once you're done, all of these settings will be changed, and go ahead and click on the X, and now this has all been changed. Now if you want to go over here, you can actually quickly change your microphone settings over here as well as your audio settings. So go ahead and you can change them, and then additionally access these settings again by clicking on the gear icon.